I've been down the road of buying welding gloves that just don't cut it, so I bought and tested these top 5 options to save you the trouble. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a weekend warrior, you need gloves that protect your hands and withstand the heat. Let's dive into these gloves and see which ones are worth your hard-earned cash. Product number 1: WZQH Leather Work Gloves. When I first got my hands on the WZQH Leather Work Gloves, I was genuinely impressed by how sturdy they felt right out of the package. Made from 100% split cowhide leather, they sport a comfortable cotton lining that keeps my hands dry even during sweaty tasks. The first day I wore them, I was tackling some DIY projects around the house. I needed gloves that could withstand heat and sharp objects, especially while cutting wood and handling metal pieces. The reinforced palms really caught my attention as they added an extra layer of protection. As I was working, I felt confident moving around rough materials without worrying about cuts or burns. One of the standout features is the adjustable wrist, which kept dirt and small particles from sneaking in. I noticed that while I was gardening, I could easily pull out weeds without feeling the thorns digging into my skin. This was a game changer. Now let's break down the pros and cons. On the upside, these gloves excel in durability and comfort. The leather offers great abrasion and cut resistance, and I can vouch for their flexibility. They didn't feel restrictive at all during my tasks. The wide range of applications, from welding to gardening, makes them an all-around workhorse. However, I did notice that some users might find them a bit bulky if they're looking for something more nimble for precision tasks. But if you need something that offers serious protection, the bulkiness is a fair trade. So why should you buy these gloves? If you need reliable protection for your hands while working with heavy-duty materials, the WZQH gloves are an excellent choice. They're versatile enough for various tasks, from welding to yard work, and they offer a level of comfort that encourages you to keep wearing them all day long. Product number 2: WZQH 16 inches Leather Welding Gloves. Next up, I tested the WZQH 16 inches leather welding gloves. These gloves are designed for extreme heat, rated to withstand temperatures up to 932 degrees F. I thought to myself, what better way to test these than a backyard barbecue where I'd be handling hot coals? As I was flipping burgers and moving around the grill, I felt completely at ease knowing my skin was shielded from potential burns. The inside of the gloves has a soft cotton lining, making them comfortable even during extended use. Let's dive into the pros and cons. The gloves are fantastic for heat resistance. I could handle hot tools and even adjust the grill without feeling a thing. The wear resistance is impressive too. I didn't see any signs of wear after several uses. However, one downside is that the gloves can feel a bit bulky, especially if you're trying to handle smaller items. You might find it challenging to grasp thin tools or perform intricate tasks. Why buy these gloves? If you frequently find yourself in high-heat environments, whether it's grilling, welding, or handling hot materials, these gloves provide essential protection. They combine comfort with functionality and are a solid investment for anyone serious about safety. Product number 3: TOPDC Welding Gloves. The TOPDC welding gloves caught my attention due to their appealing design and promise of extreme heat resistance. Upon receiving them, I noticed how they felt snug yet comfortable. The first task I used them for was welding a metal frame for a project. The gloves are 16 inches long, which is great for forearm protection. I was genuinely surprised by how well they performed. I could maneuver tools with relative ease while feeling the heat but not actually burning my skin. The cotton lining allowed for breathability, and I could wear them for hours without any discomfort. Pros and cons. On the positive side, these gloves are made from durable materials that offer fantastic heat resistance. The added Kevlar stitching enhances wear resistance, making them robust for long-term use. However, I did notice that they might not be the best fit for those with smaller hands. They can feel a tad loose, which could impact precision work. So why buy these gloves? If you're looking for a reliable pair that offers excellent heat protection and versatility across various tasks, the TOPDC gloves are worth your investment. They're suitable for welding and other heat-related jobs, making them a practical choice for anyone in need of durable protection. Product number 4: TOPDC Fireplace Gloves. I also tried out the TOPDC Fireplace Gloves, which are slightly shorter at 14 inches but still pack a punch in terms of protection. My first test was during a chilly evening tending to a campfire. I needed something that would keep my hands protected while I adjusted logs without getting burnt. The moment I slipped these on, I felt a sense of confidence. The double leather reinforced padding on the palms made it easy to grab hot logs and shift them around. I also appreciated the soft cotton liner, which provided comfort and warmth. Looking at the pros and cons, the gloves excel in fire and heat resistance. They effectively protect against sparks and hot embers. However, being only 14 inches long, they don't offer the same level of forearm protection as longer models, so if you're reaching deep into a fire pit, you might want to be cautious. Why consider these gloves? If you frequently enjoy outdoor fires, grilling, or even working near hot stoves, the TOPDC fireplace gloves offer both comfort and protection. They're versatile and can be used in multiple scenarios, making them a practical addition to your toolkit. Product number 5, TICONN Welding Gloves. Finally, I got my hands on the TICONN Welding Gloves. With a heat resistance of up to 1000 degrees F, these gloves are designed for serious heat exposure. I decided to put them to the test during a welding session. They feature a unique 3-layer construction, including an insulating aluminum foil layer, which really impressed me. As I worked, I could feel the heat from the welding sparks, but my hands were completely shielded. The gloves' 16-inch length offered great forearm protection, which is crucial in welding. Pros and cons: these gloves are incredibly durable with exceptional heat resistance thanks to the materials used. They allow for decent dexterity, which is important during welding tasks. However, the thickness might make them less suitable for fine motor tasks, so keep that in mind. Why should you buy the TICONN gloves? If you're serious about welding and need a pair of gloves that can withstand extreme temperatures while providing comfort and protection, these are an excellent choice. They offer great value for the quality you receive. After testing these 5 welding gloves, I can confidently say that investing in a quality pair is crucial for any hands-on job. Whether you prioritize heat resistance, comfort, or versatility, there's a glove in this lineup for you. Check out the specific features and pick the one that suits your needs best. Stay safe out there and happy welding.